Yesterday, I told you to prepare a one topic to improve your English. The topic was the importance of learning English. So you might have prepared on the same topic. So now it's your turn to speak on the same topic. Try to speak.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I want to talk about the importance of learning English. English is known as a global language. It is spoken in many countries and used in office, school, and even on the internet. When we learn English, we can communicate with people from different parts of the country. It helps us to get better jobs, understand international news, and explore global knowledge. In India, English is also help to communicate with people from different states who speak different languages. It also improve our confidence and improve our future chances. English is not just useful; it is a powerful skill who help us to communicate with people. Thank you, everyone.
Oh, you did well. No, now the second thing that I want to talk to you, the small grammar mistake that I have already mentioned you about that on the singular, on the plural noun you use, and you whenever you try to improve or try to speak, silly mistake that you ever done, S or ES, try to recover it. So the topic that now I want to give you, maybe you have a different kind of hobbies. Among them, one of the best hobby that you really like to do. So try to speak on the that topic and that hobby why you like.
My hobbies are drawing and singing, but I like the most is drawing. Whenever I'm frustrated or tired for some activities, I try to draw anything what I like. I draw a sketch or with a drawing with the color. They help me to also get my therapy from anger, frustration. They are very useful to that time. And whenever I'm free, I try to improve all my skills on a drawing also. Thank you.
I am also telling you about my hobby that I really like to do, listening music. This also helps us to reduce our stress because in our life we do different kind of work. So because of this thing, we are having a we have different kind of problems. Because of that, in our mind we are suffering from stress, anxiety. So it helps us to reduce. This is one of the things that you mentioned that about the drawing. The same, it also do the same thing about the music and the drawing. They both have the same thing. So now a practice topic that I want to give you now. The topic is why we should wake up early in the morning. Maybe here could be any kind of benefit of this thing. You should speak in the next video. So viewers, what do you think about this topic and what is your favorite hobby? Also tell me in the comment. Thank you.